In today's video, I'm talking all about the controversial topic of working for free as a video creator. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm talking all about working for free as a video creator and when you should and when you shouldn't work for free. Now, working for free is really useful and it can be really beneficial at specific stages of your career, but working for free is something that you should not get in the habit of doing regularly, because if you're always working for free, then you're not going to be able to generate an income, and this means filmmaking will become a hobby rather than a career. So the question, I guess, is when is it okay for you to work for free as a video creator? If you're just starting out in the industry and you have no experience, then working for free is a great way to build up experience, gain footage for a showreel, which is ultimately going to help you get work, and it's also going to give you the ability to network for free. Having a really beautiful and really cinematic showreel and posting it out to social media is a great way to attract businesses and potential employers to hire you for jobs. But if you're really new to the industry and you have no experience yet, you're still asking individuals and businesses for money in return for your video work, then you're not going to get the opportunity to build up that showreel because you're just not going to get the work come through the door. Now, of course, working for free is a really good opportunity to network. If you get in touch with a business and you ask if you could shoot them a video, if you say it's going to cost £200, chances are they're probably going to say no because they don't want to take the risk. Whereas if you say it's free, chances are they're going to accept because there's no real risk involved. Now, if you do a really good job on the free job, you've just added an extra person to your network, and this person is likely to come back to you for video, and the second time around you can ask them for money in return for your services. So working for free as a beginner is super useful because it helps to build your network, it helps to build up your showreel, and it helps you gain industry experience and real life lessons that you just can't get from a textbook or from watching YouTube videos. So if you're new to the industry, if you're a beginner filmmaker, then working for free does have real benefits, and that is exactly what I did to gain experience and build a network and get me to where I currently am today. But what if you're already in the industry? What if you're already charging for videos and this is your career? Is there any point of doing anything for free? Well, freelance filmmaking is my career and I charge for music videos, TV commercials, corporate films. I charge for pretty much every video that I create for a company or an individual. However, there are some exceptions. Now, when I receive an email from a client that's asking for a video, I like to consider the triangle rule. Imagine a triangle. At the top, you've got money. In this corner, you've got entertainment, so that's fun. Would you enjoy the shoots? And in this corner, you've got a career booster. So you've got money, fun, and career booster. In order for me to say yes to the job, I have to make sure that the job ticks off two of these corners of the triangle. So even if the shoot is completely unpaid, as long as I enjoy the shoot and I feel like it's going to help boost my career to the next level and land me higher paid jobs, then I will say yes, because I can use this job as a stepping stone to the bigger jobs. Of course though, this is a balancing act. If you're a professional videographer and this is your full-time job, you can't always be taking jobs for the entertainment value and the off chance that it might boost your career, because if you're not getting paid, then this will very quickly just become a hobby and you're going to have to go and work another job in order to fund your new hobby. So yes, in short, I would seriously recommend working for free because it does have some incredible benefits. However, it is super important that you assess your current situation and assess whether that free job is going to help progress your career to the next level. And if it's not going to pay you and it's not going to help your career out, then you're going to have to say no to that free job and try and find another job that will take your career to the next level. And there you go. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe by pressing that giant circle over there. And also check out the previous video by clicking this rectangle down here.